Hey guys, welcome back to another Budgie Marx video. Today we're going to be reacting to more channels. So this is going to be the last part for me reacting to my friends' channels. Let's react. Oh wait, that's touch. Some enchanted emeralds. Oh my god, he's gone. With blocks of diamonds. Like real diamonds. Wait, what does he do? What is that? Is that a helicopter, Steve? I've never seen that before. No. Yeah, sorry, some interruptions, second 50/50s. Anyway, look, it's Helicopter Steve. I have never seen that before. Oh, the diamonds are falling down. That's a mod. I want to. Oh, you just stopped. Jeez, he's got like literally packs of diamonds. But wait, isn't netherite the best now? Oh, now he's gonna dig straight down. Wait, how? You beat the game. Minecraft Let's Play speedrun. Where are you going? Wait. What? How? Actually, these are 5 coal, lol. You just laid an egg. Oh, he's gonna do it to the iron golem. Do it. Oh no, you got half a car. Oh, that's it? Back. Is that literally all? Oh, it's Helicopter Steve again. Okay, so now we're going to be watching Minecraft Hacker, also by Crackback. Raw pork chop. What are you gonna do? 5, 6. Oh, that's a lot. Oh my god! Oh, well, yeah, that'll be it for Crackback. Let's react to more. Okay, so now we're going to be reacting to Terminal Montage's first video, okay? The mini blizzard mermaid. It sounds weird. Wait, is that him? Please tell me that's him. to me like he's in a swamp. What are you doing in my swamp? A dead man. Jeremy. Let me turn the volume up.
Hey, Jeremy.
I have it.
The mini blizzard treatment?
It's a guy.
Your mini blizzard treatment.
It's...
Now that I've done what you asked, can I have my family back?
No. He just went in with the whole thing. Oh, but then that means that it won't taste that good anymore. Let's react to some more videos. So this is going to be the last video we're ever going to react, okay? Let's react to something about the Legend of Breath of the Wild speedrun. Okay.
Link, open your eyes.
Okay. The
Wake
duck.
up. You've been asleep for 100 years.
Wait, you been in formaldehyde?
Hyrule has been laid to ruin. My power is weakening, and Calamity Ganon will soon destroy Hyrule. I need your help.
Well, excuse me, princess.
Yeah, he beat the game doing glitches. I think that's a glitch. I think that's a glitch, because I never played Legend of Zelda. I put that's a glitch. You'll fly. I'm not sure if that launch thing is either something from the game or it's a glitch. I don't know. Direction videos are lazy and bad. I mean, that is kind of true. I was getting bored of doing that. I was gonna quit.
He's awake. I say, what is Link doing with that tree? What in the name of Hylia? that look in your eyes. It would be reckless for you to head directly to the castle at this point.
Killing Among Us.
princess.
He flies away with the princess. Most Smash Bros. World of Light. Yeah, I've seen that, but that's not his most popular video. I'll do the new videos because you never know if they upload the next day. And then you'll say, oh, that's their. Why did Budgie Marx react to the last video? That's their new one. Patreon. Over Christmas, something like all the lights.
Well, excuse.
Oh, okay, so, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you please enjoy, like and subscribe and share. Ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss further content. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.